Hey everybody, Mr. Wonderful here. I got the guitar on. Why? Because I want to talk about success in entrepreneurship. You know, all my Shark Tank companies make excessive use of social media for one reason: customer acquisition. You want to acquire customers efficiently. You don't want to pay too much, otherwise you go out of business. The whole idea is efficiency in social media, and Instagram is huge. That's why I want to do a big shout out to Josue. Josue helps people use social media, particularly Instagram, to grow their businesses. He's done it for hundreds of others, and he's done it successfully. The whole idea is growing and monetizing your customers using social media and Instagram. Instagram is smoking hot now for small businesses that want to grow. So if you'd like to experience this in a successful way, in other words, learn how to use the tool, you want to talk to Josue. That's what he specializes in. Everybody can use help when it comes to thinking about social media. Having a second set of eyes sometimes is exactly what you need. Thinking outside the box, growing the business, acquiring more customers, check out Josue for that. And by the way, everybody, I hope you had a great 2018, because now we got to talk about is 2019. Oh yeah.